Hey, just check this out. HR onboarding toolkit. So as business is picking up for all of us, you always wonder, gee, what do you do when you hire somebody new? What is all the forms you need? What should you do? How do you onboard them? How do you bring them into your culture, et cetera, et cetera? All the way back to the forms that they got to fill out to the W-9s and everything else. Here is a packet that I'm happy to send to you for free, no cost, no obligation. Somewhere either down here, up here, or sideways, somewhere, maybe over here somewhere, we're going to go and or whoever, it's going to be on our website somewhere. Just look for it, fill out the quick form. This is going to be emailed to you in a Word document so you can change it and make it your own for your company. This is the quickest way I have found, and this is really quite a resource here for you just to simply onboard your new employees. You just grab this packet, go through it with them. It gives them everything they need. Well, almost everything. You also need an employee manual and OSHA safety. Just ask us. We have all of that available for free for our clients also. So, but this one here, you don't have to be a client. Just call and ask, and I'm going to happy to send it to you. And I think you'll get some value out of it. It's really cool. It's I say it's really cool. It's just got everything you ever wanted to have for onboarding a new employee. And since we're all doing that, a lot of it lately, here it is. Thank you so much for checking in.